Greetings of the day to everyone. Today we are here to sum up the budget of 2023. I am Manpreet Kaur of Class 12 Commerce.
I am Jasmine Kaur from Class 12 Commerce.
In the 75th year of India's independence, the world has recognized the Indian economy as a bright star, as the economic growth of India is estimated at 7%, which is the highest among all the major economies. In spite of the massive slowdown caused by COVID-19 and Russia-Ukraine wars, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, while presenting the Union Budget of India 2023, emphasized that the economy of India is on the right track, in spite of a time of challenges, heading towards a bright future. Now, let us have a glance at the major priorities of Budget 2023. Firstly, inclusive development. Rupees 20 lakh crore agricultural credit targeted for animal husbandry, livestock and fisheries.
So now let's move on to the second major priority of Government Budget 2023, that is unleashing the potential. Under this priority, government took various measures such as making AI specialized by setting up 3 specialized centers in educational institute. Second, by setting up 100 labs of 5G based application development to tap the employment opportunities in India. Third, research and development grants for the lab manufacturing diamond sector.
147 nursing colleges to be established. Joint public and private researchers to be encouraged through selected ICMR labs, and anemia elimination mission to be launched.
The third major priority of government budget, that is green growth. The proposed budget has great emphasis on creation of large-scale green job opportunities for young people at mitigating the effect of changing climate. The National Green Hydrogen Mission, which outlays 19,000 crores, supports the green growth.
Digital libraries to be set up for children, and states will be encouraged to set up physical libraries at panchayat and ward levels.
The next major priority is, that is youth power. Under youth power, government took 3 major decisions. First, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana will be launched, which will cover various courses such as AI, robotics, etc. Second, 50 tourism sectors will be selected to create them into domestic and foreign tourists. Third, the state will be encouraged to set up unity malls.
30,000 teachers to be recruited for 740 Eklavya Model Residential School. Financial aid to be provided for sustainable micro-irrigation facilities in the drought-prone areas of Karnataka.
The next major priority of government budget, that is financial sector. The government took major decision under this priority by setting up Central Data Processing Center and encouraging business activity at GIFTS and IFSC. Also, they are expected to financial deficit to be 4.5% by the year 2025 to 2026. The income tax rebate has been increased from Rs 5 lakh to 7 lakh. Also, they are trying to increase the benefits for salaried class.
Highest capital outlay of 2.4 lakh crore for railways, 100 transport infrastructure projects identified. Thank you.